we are going to talk about the film that is releasing on 20th August. The name of the film is 200 Halla Ho. The first thing is the way the whole reaction that the trailer is getting, right? I would like to know it from all of you guys. How does it feel like after seeing the reaction of the people, like after the release of the trailer?
Why do you say the reaction is good? Do you think the reaction is good?
Well, as a journalist, I have to say this, that the first thing that I would like to mention then, because you asked me, the timing, right? On the 1st of August, like what we have seen at the capital city, the rape of a minor Dalit girl, and that kind of it kind of shook all of us. And this film, it is also around the same topic, and it is releasing on 20th August. So I think the very important conversation, this film is definitely gonna start. Varun is playing a very important character in that. So Varun, I would like to know that.
It's not a story of any one person, to be honest with you. And I'm not saying my character is not important. It's a very important character, but there are far more important subjects in the film, to be honest with you. And why I wanted to do the film is both because the first time I'd heard the narration, a brief narration of the whole thing, I wanted to be a part of something in my head told me that I want to be a part of this. It sounds extremely relevant to our times.
So yes, the character that you are playing, if you give us a little insight of your character in the film.
I'm playing a man called Umesh Joshi, who's a pro bono lawyer, who's a very sensitive man, and his agenda of life is to help people out. The people actually that can't afford the legal fees and everything, he helps those people out, and he's trying to do that same thing in this case as well.
Tell me, what do you think as a filmmaker, as a storyteller, the power of cinema to bring about this kind of conversation? Because see, cinema essentially is for entertainment, right? So
I do not know. To be very honest with you, the whole idea is, I have constantly changed while writing the film. I have sat on a writer's chair and also as an audience's chair and said that, okay, if someone were to suddenly bring this film and I had to choose between hundreds of things and this, why would I choose to watch this? See, the whole thing is going to work. We can all keep talking about social change and art and this and all that, and really anything can work is only after someone consumes this whole thing and gets sucked into it and feels about what we're talking about. Now, how does one get to that stage where people are interested to watch this and choose this over many other options that they have? So while writing, it was a question that had to be answered, and but luckily for me, it was not a fictional story. This has happened.
Has happened, yes.
This has happened, and it's a very dark thing that has happened. And there was an outburst, and then there was repression. So it's just not one thing that happened. There's a series of things that happened, and we're trying to tell a story about the entire gamut of things that happened.
Now I would like to know this because आपने casting के बारे में बात किया है, और ये film जो है इसके अंदर बहुत ही interesting, like there are so many actors and so many good actors that you brought everybody together. मुझे रिंकू के बारे में definitely बात करना होगा कि like because it's so interesting. When I watched the trailer, I did not know the name of her character. The name of her character is Asha, which means hope. And somewhere the way she is protesting is what we needed, right? And that is like, that's the hope. As long as we are protesting against this brutal practice, especially towards a particular community.
आपने जैसे बताया, मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम आशा है और वो भी एक दलित परिवार से है. मैंने कुछ खास तैयारी नहीं की, कुछ अलग नहीं किया, कुछ देखा नहीं, कुछ पढ़ा नहीं, क्योंकि मैं चाहती थी कि आशा एक खुद अलग लगे. और जैसे सार्थक सर ने लिखा था, मैं बस उस तरीके से काम करती गई. सार्थक सर ने जो कहा मैं करती गई, और इस तरह आशा तैयार हुई। और डेफिनेटली सबने बहुत काम किया है। मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ और सब अलग अलग तरह के किरदार है इसमें, और मेरा सबके साथ अलग अलग इमोशन, मतलब कनेक्शन अलग अलग है। तो मुझे सबके साथ काम करके बहुत मजा आया और बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला।
Sometimes are really worried about only acting and how they look and how they are and how are they being portrayed in the frame or in the
मतलब
film.
image you are talking about.
Not only image, it's like they are slightly
Too
less
self-consumed.
concerned. They are less concerned about others. They're less concerned about other co-actors, or the subject, or things like that. Here, I feel everyone, right from Rinku, Barun, Amolji, Flora Saini, Navniji, Upendra Limne, Indranil, everyone सब पढ़े लिखे हैं. They were not the typical actors that I have dealt with elsewhere. In a conversation, sorry, you both are actors. What happens is, I generally cannot have long conversation with actors because after a point I feel that they're only talking about themselves, or
But that's true. It's a fact. It's a bitter thing, but it's true.
Tell me, when you are doing the tayari of your character, and I'm sure there are some kind of insight you got to know probably about the law or the rules that is existing that probably people do not know. What was that like? Have you got to know anything about it that you are not aware of in terms of law that probably can protect their right or the human rights?
No, not really. Actually, we didn't go into the study of how the bar is cleared, or what does a lawyer have to know in order to fight a case. This was essentially the character of the guy, not his qualification, that was taken into consideration more. He's an emotional, sensitive person who wants to fight for the right things in the society. And it was very basic, the knowledge of how it started. So nothing of that sort. So that's why, like, exactly as Rinku, the script was so well written that all I had to do was understand the character and just go and try to execute it the way Sarthak wanted it. And to be honest with you, that also felt, in the right place the very first day, I felt. And Sarthak had enormous amount of confidence in us. So the way we figured it out and portrayed it is what he really liked. So yeah.
हाँ, no, लेकिन ऐसी कोई बात थी जो जिसके बारे में आपको मतलब मालूम नहीं था हकीकत में? ऐसी कभी कभी होता है ना चीजें, क्योंकि ये रियल फैक्ट में अगर एक फिल्म में बन रही है तो बहुत सी कई दफा होता है कि ये चीज, अच्छा ये मुझे ना अदरवाइज पता नहीं था, क्योंकि आई एम पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी, इसीलिए शायद मालूम चला.
नहीं, मुझे इस इवेंट के बारे में ही पता नहीं था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू. This is not very I don't know how popular it got or how publicized it was, but I didn't know about this event.
Even I didn't know. When they approached me to write, I kind of looked up and then they said, "Oh my God!"
I did the same thing. Yeah, so I looked up when they approached and everything. But वो tendency, and again the point is to change the tendencies. कि वो चीजें रिपोर्ट होंगी जो masses को benefit करती हैं, anti government नहीं है, or whatever. I'm not gonna say anything more. So yeah.
Thankful that by the time अगर भगवान ना करे, लेकिन 20th को हमारा रिलीज है, उसके पहले भी पता नहीं कितने शायद हो जाए.
Exactly.
I'm saying that, so that's where we are in such a bad shape as a society that it's happening at such rampant rate that there is no timing anyway. Obviously हम लोग एक साल से इस पे काम कर रहे हैं. How can we time anything in the future? But whenever you do it, unfortunately we are in such a state that it is relevant, because it's constantly being relevant. That's what Rinku has been telling to some interviewer कि कब तक कितने फिल्म बनाएंगे, फिर भी तो हो ही रहा है. बदल उतना आसान भी नहीं है. People cannot change like that. हम फिल्म बनाएंगे, बुक लिखेंगे, थोड़ी कुछ होगा. But that also doesn't mean that we don't push the envelope. That also means that some change is not possible. You even if someone feels empowered enough to stand up for their rights, is a change. If someone feels that, in my family, I find my uncle or my father to be a patriarch, and I see this and I feel that Josh to tell him that what you're doing is wrong. That is also a change.
That's a win.